You're probably doing one of these three stretches and they're not doing what you think. The first stretch is a standing quad stretch. The problem with this stretch is that you have to balance yourself. Even if you're holding onto something, you're still on one leg. You have to focus a lot on a strict hip, meaning that you have to keep your tailbone tucked and you have to make sure that your pelvis is neutral while you're trying to stretch your hip flexors and your quads. So it just makes it overly difficult to actually stretch those target areas. Now, the next exercise is called a couch stretch. So you'll be getting into this position, it's a lunged position. And then from here, the main thing that you're gonna be doing is focusing on your hips. So instead of having your back arched, what you're gonna do is tuck the pelvis and then squeeze the glute. And then right away, you're gonna feel your quad and your hip flexor light up in the stretch. So this is a much better alternative to that standing quad stretch. The next common stretch that we see is the standing hamstring stretch. So just reaching for your toes. The problem with this one is, yes, you are still stretching your hamstrings, but as you can see, most people are gonna end up rounding across their upper back and their lower back as well. So this actually ends up being a lower back and upper back stretch as opposed to the hamstrings. It's not dangerous, it's just not stretching the areas that you actually want stretched. A great alternative that you can do instead is to lay on your back, grab a band or some kind of rope and put it on your foot and just pull it up. Because now you're gonna be in a position with your back flat, you can focus on just stretching your hamstring. The next exercise that you're probably wasting your time on is the butterfly stretch. So you're trying to target your inner leg, but what ends up happening is because your inner legs are tight, it ends up floating to the top here. And so you're not actually getting as much of a stretch as you can. So what you can do is try to pull your legs down somehow, or maybe put a weight on top of it, but that's now gonna cause your back to round and it's gonna put you in an awkward position. Another issue too is that most people have a rounded back while they're doing this stretch. So it just causes more problems than what you're trying to fix. Now, a good alternative that you can do instead is the half kneeling adductor stretch, because now you're actually putting weight into the stretch. So as you fall down, he has his body weight going into the stretch and he's able to target that inner leg and actually give it a good stretch. Automatically, once you do this one, you're gonna feel it much better than just your standard butterfly stretch. Now, there's nothing wrong with spending your time stretching, but if you are going to stretch, you might as well do it right and not waste your time.